What's the meaning of China clay? China clay. China clay.
China clay. China clay. China clay is a term used to describe a type of white clay also known as kaolin. It is named after the region where it was originally mined in China. China clay is primarily composed of the mineral kaolinite and is used in a variety of industries, including paper, ceramics, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. It is valued for its fine particle size, purity, and brightness. When processed, it can be used to make ceramic materials such as porcelain, and it is also used in the production of toothpaste and other personal care items.